hotel room. We're about 3 hours away. I thought about it today. I figured I'd be too hungover if I came down here last night. Got stuff ready. See, this way I behaved last night.
Yeah.
We set up. I sent her to find some hotel room. We wanted to have it like 4 hours and everything. Yeah, I don't know what, well, now summer's getting here, I'm ready to start drinking beer.
I don't. I'm just like, man.
Yeah, we need to do a little work with Paul and Kevin. Paul's gonna have that, you guys working Monday and Friday?
Yeah, we are. I can't not. We've got everybody kind of starting to come in this week.
Yeah.
Next week, and it's going to start to get real busy. I was hoping to be off. I was going to hit fine now, but
Yeah, Tom's gonna try to come up with my deal. It's a wild water somewhere. I tell you what we need to do.
good.
Get the measurements of that thing before we leave, so we can get
If you want us to, when we start doing practices and stuff a lot, to help you giving you some stories and stuff, we can contact you and let you know. And if you want to come out and do stories with us, we'd love it. I mean, it gives us more exposure. Because we just now got our nonprofit status, so we can, we can now start doing fundraisers and that kind of thing, and it really help go a long way. We do a lot of conservation, education, and teaching seminars. We compete.
You're the one that wanted all the cats, right?
Yeah.
We're working on it. We didn't get your 3 dozen done, but we've got a bunch of different varieties.
Okay.
And we still got some coming.
Okay, that'll be fine.
Where's his box at right there?
Right here. It ain't no big deal.